Hi, I'm Junyu and today I'll attempt to make ice cream, I hope. So the ingredients we're going to be needing are some sugar, 4 egg yolks, heavy cream, normal milk, vanilla extract, a scale, and a saucepan to cook things up. But I'm gonna make something special. I'm not just gonna make any other ice cream or any vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna be making mala ice cream with lao gan ma. And we got some spices. We got cinnamon, we got star anise, we got cloves, and we got dried chilies and chili flakes from my leftover lunch. Alright, so the next step will be adding the thin cream, which is 1 part full cream milk and 1 part heavy cream, which equals to 300 milliliters of thin cream. We just put that in the saucepan, and then we're gonna dump in all the herbs. Then we're gonna put in a packet of the chili flakes. It doesn't want to, it's going in. It's not coming out. Trash. And then 1 spoonful of lao gan ma. We're gonna get some chili oil also for the color. Alright, so now you can see the temperature should be well over 70 degrees, and now we should just leave it here to marinate for 30 minutes. Remember to turn off the fire because you wouldn't want to burn. Alright, so now we're gonna need 50 grams of sugar and add them into our 4 egg yolks. Now this essentially will be our sweetener and the thing that bonds our ice cream together.
Oh brother, this guy stinks!
That's 50 grams there, and then we're just gonna pour it all into our egg yolks. We're gonna start mixing this until this becomes pale, as if it's the color of a very nice scrambled egg. Once we make it pale, we're gonna have to add 1 drop of vanilla extract into it. Now I'm gonna do that later once I cut the video because I can't do it one-handedly. First part of solution is cooled and the second part of solution is done. We now turn on the heat on low. Slowly pour it in while mixing so the egg yolk don't split. We're gonna keep doing this for 15 to 20 minutes so that the whole solution will thicken, and then we can start cooling. Since now our questionable cream has thickened and is cooled, we can add it to our appropriate container and store it into the freezer for freezing while checking back every 1 hour and make sure to mix so it stays creamy. This is not gonna end well. I don't have any good feelings about this. Alright, now that it's in your mom's favorite container, we're gonna just toss in the freezer for 8 hours and consistently check back every hour to mix. Okay, so it's me again. Hi. Now before we head to the results, we gotta go through the boring part, the chemistry. Yay! Now, following the PBL handouts that we were given, we're actually supposed to use 2 or more different food additives in our ice cream. But I actually couldn't get my hands on anything artificial without the customer service questioning my sanity. Like, I mean, it's true, I kinda don't want to accidentally kill myself either with an overdose, so I guess it's a good thing that I'm going back to Mother Nature and use natural alternatives. So now, in order for me to not kill myself, I actually use egg yolks as a stabilizer as opposed to xanthan gum, cellulose gum, blah blah blah. So now there's this giga chat thing in egg yolks, right, which is called lecithin, that gives our ice cream a fantastically smooth texture by reducing the growth of ice crystals and air bubbles. So now, being the giga chat egg yolk himself, it can also act as an emulsifier because the phospholipids in lecithin are partially hydrophobic and partially hydrophobic, which gives lecithin the ability to simultaneously interact with both oil and water. Now, as for the flavorings, I believe I don't need to speak more. Like, okay man, I have lao gan ma in there. It's everything. It has flavor, it has spice, it's MSG, all in one. Like, I'm sorry Punchy, but you're still gonna have to eat this. Oh well, it has been 6 hours. Oh look, it's ready, all nice and plated. Looks interesting. Let's give it a nice whiff. Now that I have a jolly spoonful of this questionable ice cream in my spoon, let's give it a good taste test. Delicious! Yay!